Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix if your message is turning into green. Okay guys, so firstly let me explain that if set so green message mean as simple text and blue mean iMessage. If you are chatting with your friend and some message turned into green and some are blue, then it means he is disconnected with internet or you are not connected with internet during when you are typing the message. Okay guys, and if you are connected with internet, then make sure that he is also connected with internet. Okay guys, and if you have iMess and if you have iPhone and your friend also has iPhone, then if it's turning into green, then you have to open setting first and then you have to scroll it down and just simply look at for iMessage. Here it is guys, and from here just simply turn off your iMessage at least for the 60 seconds, and then you have to turn it on again and then scroll it down and just simply turn off send as SMS. If you want to chat with your friend, he has iMessage, just simply turn off this toggle send as SMS. And let me tell you that if your friend has aeroplane mode and you are sending a message, then your message will be turned into green. Okay guys, and if it's still not working, then you have to open setting and then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply update your device. Scroll it down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. You have to reset your network setting from here. Just simply reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults. And after that, what you need to do is just simply restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. If the problem is like this there, then make sure that your friend don't have problem with his iMessage. So tell him that he has to fix his iMessage, and tell him that he has to connect with internet. Okay guys, and he has and he and he has and he has done all the things, and you have done all these process, then after that your problem 100% will be fixed. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.